Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Just Ro here, and I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. So as first wanted to say welcome to my channel, and this is my very first video I'll be posting on my channel, and you'll probably be wondering what's my YouTube channel all about. And I just wanted to let you guys know what I'll be mainly posting about is about my life in general, makeup, like some maybe makeup tutorials or makeup hauls, and I'll be trying to also post more travel stuff as well, like trips I take or adventures I do. And I'll be trying my best to post a new video every Sunday for you guys, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you can be up to date for my new videos. For today, I wanted to do an unboxing and a review for a package I got recently. I recently got a package from the SILK Labs. I'm not too sure if any of you guys are familiar with them. It's basically a small business company that I believe is Toronto based, but I would have to double check that, but for sure I know it is in Canada. And I do love trying my best to support those small businesses out there, and yeah, just gotta support your small businesses, especially if it's from where you're coming from. So today's package is in here. It's in a really cute little pink envelope that they packaged here. It was pretty quick when it came. When I ordered it, like literally maybe 2 business days, they already shipped it out, and I just received it maybe around after a week or so. So to me that was pretty fast for this package. And at the back is actually, not sure if you can see it, but I'll read it to you guys. It says, "When you support small, a real person does a happy dance. Thank you, the SILK Labs." So that's pretty cute. Before I unpackaged them, I just wanted to know that their company is all 100% silk. They're mainly focused on is scrunchies. A lot of people would buy scrunchies from them, but they do also sell some eye sleeping masks and like headbands as well. And I know they are coming up with also combs for your hair as well. So let me see the package. Ooh, feels so bad that I'm ripping this up. It's so cute packaging. Let me see. Doesn't everyone love getting packages coming into the mail? I just get so excited. I feel like a little kid when I receive a package in the mail. Okay, so I see that they add this card, a little card in your package. I know that the owner of the SILK Labs actually personally writes these packages, so that's why sometimes it might take a while sometimes for your packages to come in, because just know that the owner is personally writing these cards out for you guys. That's all. I really like that. That's really nice for them to do that. So let me read what it says. So just a little note to say, thank you so much for supporting small. We appreciate you. Enjoy our new summer silk. Love the SILK Labs. That's so cute. That's actually really cute. I really appreciate them adding that little special little note. It's very personal. So today's scrunchies I got are the ones, let me see. So the first one is Peony, it's called, like the flower, Peony pink. And it was, I believe, thick, right? A thick scrunchie. There's different sizes but I don't think all of them usually have different sizes, only certain ones. But for this one, the THICC was available and I got this. It's so cute. That color is so cute. I love this kind of pink colors. And see, it's very durable. And then the feeling is so nice. It's like so smooth. Let me go to the next one. So the other one I got was, it's called Matcha, like a matcha green, like the drink. And unfortunately I was trying to get a thick one as well, but it was sold out, you guys. It was sold out, so I ended up getting medium. It doesn't look too different from the thick one. So this is thick and this is medium, so it's not too different from each other, but it's still cute, really good. Like, my favorite color is green actually, you guys, but to be honest, I don't really have any green clothes. Maybe a few actually that are like olive green colors, but this is not really olive, but it's matcha color, but it is cute. I would love to wear this color. And the last one is Leopard color, and this is I bought it in THICC, so that's cute. I'm not really a biggest fan in like prints kind of stuff, because I really like very simple kind of basic kind of things, but this is actually really cute. I thought it would be cute to tie my hair up in it. So here are the ones I got. Can't wait to try them out. And actually, to be honest, you guys, I wanted to also get the navy blue color scrunchie and the sand color, but literally when I was ordering it, it felt like a sneaker release. I literally woke up like maybe early enough to go online and like prepare like the website, and once they released the launch of these colors, I literally like tried, like went my fastest to try to purchase it, but like when I was about to check out, they said the navy blue and the sand was sold out. So luckily I was able to get these three colors, because I believe they dropped 5 colors when I was purchasing it. But you guys, I believe that they sell out so quick. So if you do decide to get some, make sure you're like ready for it and try as fast as you can to get it. But I know they are trying their best to restock more often or have new colors as well. But don't worry, I'm gonna add the link below so you can see their website and you can check them out. I'm gonna be trying this out. Maybe today I'll actually wear one of these out and let you guys know about it, but let me try it out right now. See it. This is a peony pink. Yeah, I was so interested in getting this 100% silk scrunchie, since I know that silk does help your hair a lot to keep it not too damaged. My hairs are already pretty damaged from dyeing my hair, curling my hair, or straightening my hair, so I feel like silk will help so much, and especially since these are 100% silk, is even better for me. Let me see. Sorry if you guys can see it. It's kind of hard to tell if you guys can see it. Maybe it'll be easier for me to post some pictures or add some pictures on the side. So cute. So cute. But I'm not too sure if these colors exactly will be dropping again. Like I said, this is my first time shopping from them, so I'm not too sure if they repeat the colors or it'll always be new colors when they drop more items. But make sure you check them out though, because I really really like this so far. I was so excited to open this package, but I decided to wait till I film this for you guys so you can see how they look and my first impressions of them, and just my reaction for this. And if you guys have any questions or any comments or topics that you want me to talk about, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll try my best to answer the questions or do the topics you wanted to hear more about. But that wraps up my first video for today of the unboxing and review of the SILK Lab Scrunchies. And I would like to say thank you for everyone for who are watching and just supporting my YouTube channel. Thanks for all the support. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can be up to date over any new videos that I'll be posting up. And like I said earlier, I'll be trying my best to post every Sunday a new video for you guys, so keep an eye out for that. But once again, I want to say thank you, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.